Wildcats, it's me, Mrs. Brayman. Did you guess? Today, we're gonna learn how to draw a dog. I'm not an artist, but we're gonna try our best. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need a piece of paper and a writing utensil. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a stick figure person. So here's my head, and then my line for my body, my arms, and my legs. Next, I'm gonna make some dots in between the arms and the legs, like this. On one side, and then I'm gonna make the dots on the other side. Now, I'm gonna draw a circle around my person. Now I have to add the eyes. So I'm gonna do a half circle, more like an oval, and I'll make 2 ovals on top of the circle. And then make 2 smaller ovals inside and then color them in. Then I'm gonna make another half circle around the eyes like this. And now it's time for the ears. I'm gonna make 2 ovals on the side of the head like this. There's one oval, and here's the other oval. Then I'm gonna make a collar around my dog's head. That's my dog. Have a great day, Wildcats.